Pressure, you can see your hair flying out. You feel all that pressure on that port, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Dang-Fauxe Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Do you have anything in the camper, or is it all right here?
It's all right here.
Okay. Nice. This looks good. Did you build this?
Yeah, me and River built it.
Okay. Nice work. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
It's Kyle Taylor. It's 3 ZB515s on 1 salt 8K at 0.33.
Oh, wow. You're getting all the power out of that amp.
Yeah, I've clamped about 12-1, I think is the highest.
Okay. Any SPL tests?
Yeah, I'm doing 56.4.
Wow.
What's happening, TT?
What frequency is that?
A yellow bitch with green hair.
That's loud. What frequency are you peaking with that?
32.
That's good. Are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Nice, man. Looks good. And your cubic size on the box. You know the size of the box yet?
It's 3.25 per.
Okay. A little on the small end. All right. Nice. And where's your batteries at?
Under the box.
Oh, so it's under it. Okay.
300 amp hours of LTO.
Wow. Okay.
Give me a minute, I don't know this USB.
It's okay. I'm gonna go look at the amp real quick on the top.
Yeah, you're good. You can open it up.
Okay. Well, you really fit your space in there to get that battery. Yeah, tight space fit. All right. Whew. Nice. So the way you built this wall, you have a beauty panel at the front, and then how many layers behind it?
It's the beauty panel is one more.
Okay.
And then the box itself's one, so it's a triple baffle.
Okay. Nice. Nice and sealed off.
Try this one. We'll seal that one up.
Okay. it throws, is it playing that really well? It seemed like it didn't flex over X max up to like 27, 28 really well. That was pretty good, man. The pressure, you can see your hair flying out. You feel all that pressure on that port, man. Nice job.
That was all right.
I like it. Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, I'm happy with it.
Nice to meet you, Kyle, right?
Yep.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
I like it.
Yours today or not?
Good job. Not today. It's the first time I haven't brought it in 5 years. Yeah, I only have a single sub right now.